What in the world is up mga kalamon? So happy Sunday sa inyo. I went out while watching yung finals game 3 ng UP at ng Lasal. Of course, supporting the home team. And I had to make it quick dahil ang iniiwasan ko din yung maipit potentially sa traffic due to the Christmas rush. Pumunta ako dito sa may cash and carry dahil kasi I needed to stock up on a couple of vitamins, vitamin C. At pagkatapos nun, I was still watching yung live stream. So, naglalakad at kumuha na lang ako ng isang shawarma mula sa Turks and halftime. So, I decided bumalik dito sa Taft. Yes, beating the traffic once again. At iniiwasan lang din natin yung possibility na baka umulan. So, pagdating ko sa Taft, I'm wearing green. I have my ID. Pasok tayo sa loob.
Sasabihin namin ang pangalan ng league. Bawi tayo, babawi ba ang lahat? Parang wala, babawi ba tayo?
Bilog ang bola, bilog ang bola.
The pace, your time is not on their side. They got to put up points in punches. Thank you, finally gets it down low. No double team. Alacross, Pani to Mani. Off the
buhay yung crowd. Nice. Nice one, KQ.
Stops on the line, nowhere to go. Gives it up to David with 7 to shoot. David stops for 3. That's all.
Bilog ang bola, kaya pang bawin. Taking the shots.
Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball!
Defense! Boba yung lead, close fight. Kaya pa kabulin to, kaya pa kabulin.
6 in favor of the UP fighting for rules.
One more quarter, one more.
Yung mga alumni sa crowd, proud alumni.
Magtatanong sila ng ID number. Huwag na pa natin tanongin. Pag tinanong yung grad school ID number, 119. If you think about it, it's pretty old na rin. Dahil kasi yung batch na papasok ngayon is ID number 125. Wow.
Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball! Shoot that ball!
Bumawi. Natapat na ni QMB. Init.
Everything on the floor, everything all out here for all the players. David from 6.
And we're tight! Momentum. Defense! Let's the top.
Let's go Archers! Let's go! Let's go Archers! Let's go!
Isa lang, isa. bola. Isang malupit na sequence.
Our score.
You have to play the best basketball of your life for 1 minute if you want to win this game.
Stay tuned later after the...
Pinakang bola.
Defense! Defense!
Lead pass. Gabriela. To seal the deal as you take
Salamat.
the assault from
Salamat.
So there are multiple situations here. This is live by UP Maroon.
Everyone, let's give it up for the Green Archer of the season.
Good job guys, good job. The better team won. The better team won.
Come back later for the Archers homecoming.
Right, labas tayo. The view from the Christmas tree dito sa loob ng campus is pretty amazing. So pagpasok namin, pumunta ako dito sa may harap ng LS dahil meron silang polite tribute para sa Green Archers. The better team may have won, but win or lose, this is the team that we choose. So maraming salamat guys. Bye tayo next season. Right, so for dinner, punta tayo ng Jollibee. And pagka-bayad dito sa may counter, may katagalan lang din dahil kasi dumagsa yung mga volume of orders. Pero food was prepared well, it was cooked properly, mainit, and that I appreciate. So pagdating sa unit, spaghetti, kuha na tayo ng konti. Pagkatapos noon, kuha tayo ng chimken joy with some fries. And of course, some gravy chop. Panalo yun.